Hello viewers, welcome to our channel English Tube. In this video, we will learn and write speech on World Environment Day. For more such videos, consider subscribing to our channel and hit that bell icon so that you never miss an update from our channel. As you all know, we are going to celebrate the World Environment Day on 5th of June this year, and it is just around the corner. So let's prepare a speech which you can deliver in your school, college or any other institution. Good morning to the Excellencies, Principal Sir, teachers and my dear friends. Today, we are celebrating World Environment Day. This special day reminds us how important it is to take care of our planet. Our environment gives us everything we need: clean air, water, food, and a beautiful place to live. But right now, our planet is facing many problems. Pollution, deforestation, and climate change are harming our planet. We all can make a difference. Small actions like planting trees, reducing waste, recycling, and saving water can have a big impact. Each one of us has the power to make positive changes in our daily lives. By doing so, we can protect our environment for ourselves and for future generations as well. Let's also spread awareness and encourage others to join us in this important mission. Working together, we can create a healthier, greener world. On this World Environment Day, let's promise to do our part to protect and preserve our beautiful planet. With this, I conclude my speech. Thank you all.